Tax Saver Tip number 7. You should deduct the points you incurred on the purchase of your new home in the most tax advantageous way. There are 2 ways to deduct points, so don't sell yourself short. And if you incurred points in an earlier year, but did not take a tax deduction for those points, it may be time to look at it again to see what you overlooked. 100 hidden tax breaks for everyone, including 23 strategies to make the 2025 Tax Act work for you. The Yellow and Blue Tax Book. Ask for it at your local bookstore, Walmart, or Amazon.